fair spinner. Yes, of course it improves it. I think he's a good player. I think it's as...
Yeah, it's a crash.
Yeah,
he's just crashed this way.
Why is people going in the wall? No voltage.
Oh, no. Jesus Christ.
So that comes out on the camera. Someone pulling a caravan, overtaking on the brow of a hill on a blind bend. He's going to go on that left there now. What the fuck? This one.
Porkies has got, oh, it hasn't, it's here. T's Big Baps. That used to be Porkies. We've got registration, haven't we? Oh!
There's someone getting run over.
Oh, he's not happy. Arsehole Avenue roundabout. Get going. Oh! Well, the yeah, silver Toyota came from the middle lane. Sling it on your left arm and hope for the best.
Hey. No. Unbelievable.
Is violent felony codified as violent felony?
I mean, it's. I think in the Second Amendment jurisprudence and in other places too. I'm pretty sure this is a case.
We've had a bunch of people chat saying things like they committed.
Hey.
Well, that's I'm not sure what's happened there. A couple of trucks, but look at
Police reported ahead. Exiting average speed check.
Was it?
I don't know, there's something.
Something's gone horrendously wrong there. You idiot!
Can't do that. Can't do that. You can't do that. Stop doing that. Lanes mean nothing.
Well,
Genuinely wish you all. Where does he think he's going? Oh, he wasn't very happy with me being on the inside there. He wasn't very happy at all.
What move is that? Unbelievable. Twat.
dear, has someone broken down?
Looks like there's been a problem with the tow. Rings like it's been a tow.
It's an old tow, so it looks like they're going to tow it.
While it's being towed, I mean,
Ta-da! Ta-da!
Once upon a time, this was a Ford Anglia. Personally, I think I'd hate to call it anything these days. But there you go, each to their own, and a little Wolseley Hornet. Don't think it's quite as it came out of the factory, but certainly not with those wheels. But, still a cute enough little thing. And this is a Chasseur Daimler, a 300 and something horsepower twin turbo. Six cylinder. And here we have a Stanley steamer. Well, here's a car you don't see very often. A brand new Lotus Electra. Can't really imagine Lotus making an SUV, but there you go.
We're going to do this in two bits then. So Rich and I had nothing but made up London facts. Made up London facts. That's it, come on, don't be shy. It's welcome. Got first two. Yeah, I do. Of 18. Wow, that's quite a while about now. You barely remember when you get so many. It's just like a gold rush. Well done all.
Tiny little hop, it's still there. Go on, bird.
Being belligerent.